Alright, in this lesson we are going to learn how to create a directory for your website and how to install WordPress into that directory. WordPress is a content management system that will allow us to create the classroom website. Great thing about WordPress is that it creates responsive websites without doing anything. You simply create your website and it is responsive. So what do I mean when I say a website is responsive? A responsive website is able to be shown on any screen size, from the smallest cell phone to the largest TV. And this is important. Our students have mobile devices. That is their primary access to the internet. And those mobile devices have many different size screens. And we need to ensure that our website can be viewed on any of those screens. And with WordPress, that's going to happen automatically. Now, what do I mean when I say we need to create a directory for our website? A directory is a container. It contains digital files. In this case, it is a container that will contain all the files that create our website. So when we create a directory, we are creating a container for all the files that will create our website. And in that directory, we're going to install WordPress, which is going to enable us to create the website. So let's go ahead and create that directory first. Now, in the last lesson, you logged into the control panel, so you should be at the control panel right now. Where you want to go is File Manager. So click on that File Manager right there. On this left-hand screen right here, it shows all the directories. I have a lot of directories. I've been using my website for quite a while now. You shouldn't have any directories yet, or maybe just the root directory. What you want to do to create this new directory that's going to contain all the files for our website is to click on this folder right here, which is a new directory folder. So I'm going to click on that. A box comes up where we can enter the directory name. I teach biology, so my directory name is going to be biology, and I suggest that you also name this directory after the class that you're teaching. So if you're teaching chemistry, name it chemistry. Teaching English, name it English. But again, I teach biology, so I'm going to call it biology. And just hit save. Now if you look down here, you should see that directory. It's right there in mine, biology. And that's the directory that we're going to create our website in. All the files for our website are going to go into this directory. Now we need to install WordPress into that directory. And again, WordPress is a content management system that is going to allow us to create our website. And it's going to actually go into this directory. What you want to do is you want to go back to the control panel. So again, go ahead and click the little house icon. That'll bring you back to the control panel. Under Website, there should be a section entitled Website. You will see a WordPress icon. Go ahead and click on that WordPress icon. Okay, so this screen right here should come up. It says WordPress. It has the latest version. What you want to do is you want to now click Install. So go ahead and click this Install button right there. Here it says select which domain you would like to install to. I have a few domains. Let me just go ahead and pick my main domain, which is joshuamwalker.com. You should only have one domain since you just purchased it. So Go ahead and select that if it's not already selected. And go ahead and type in that directory you just created right here. So what we're doing is we're installing WordPress into that directory. Go ahead and click on this Check Domain button. Might take a few moments as it checks the domain we just typed in. So let's go ahead and agree to these terms and conditions by checking this box here and clicking Install Now. Right here is a warning. It says the domain is not set up yet. We can disregard that. We can still install it and that domain will be up momentarily. So go ahead and click Install Now. This advertisement will pop up. Just go ahead and X that out if it does pop up on your screen. Here you can see the progress bar. So go ahead and wait for that to finish. Still waiting. After the installation is complete, you will see this bar across the top that says View Credentials. Go ahead and click on View Credentials. As you scroll down, you will see this alert. It'll say your WordPress install is finished. And then it has credentials. Right here, there's a button that says View. If you click on that, you will get your login information. So let me go ahead and click on that real quick. And this is very important information, so you're going to want to write this down. Here is the URL. So this is the URL that will be used to access your classroom website. Underneath it is the admin URL. This is the URL that we are going to use to log into WordPress, to actually create our website. Here is the username. It's usually your email, but go ahead and write it down if it's not. And right here is the password. So to get into WordPress, which is going to be the next lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this URL, we're going to type in this username and this password. So go ahead and write all that information down for your installation. And in the next video, we are actually going to log into WordPress. So I'll see you then. Thank you.